Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on Bluetooth on a Garmin Vivoactive 4 GPS smartwatch. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet and get straight into the point. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to light up the smartwatch so that you can see it. We're going to press and hold down on this lower button. Okay, that's going to bring up these options, or I should say this menu right here. We're then going to scroll down to the gear icon, to the cog icon, depending on what you call it, which stands for settings, and we're going to click that. Then we're going to scroll down to the phone option, okay? Because the Bluetooth on this is essentially regarding pairing with your phone, okay? So click phone right there, okay? Now, if you see right here, it says status off, okay? So what we want to do to enable Bluetooth is turn it to status on. So I'm going to click the toggle right there, status waiting, okay? Now, in addition, this is if you already have, so now it says status connected because my device that I've paired this smartwatch with is only a couple feet away. If you haven't paired it with a phone yet, all you have to do is go down here and click pair phone. And when you click pair phone, then you can go on your device, on your phone, on your tablet, and then pair it up, okay? So as far as I know, there's not, I couldn't find a button that said Bluetooth specifically. I looked wherever I could find here on the settings, and I couldn't find a button that specifically said Bluetooth. So what I figured was, essentially we want to pair it with our phone via Bluetooth, right? So we changed the status to on. We toggle it on. Let's say I wanted to turn off Bluetooth. I could go ahead and I could click that off. And it says status off. So now, as far as I know, the Bluetooth is off and it's not connected to the phone, right? Very, very simple. That's it. Now, like I said, I looked for a specific thing that said Bluetooth and I couldn't really find it. And I kind of did my research and I couldn't find any instructions for specifically a Bluetooth checkbox or a Bluetooth toggle switch. So this is what I came up with, that essentially this is what you're dealing with. When you want to turn on the Bluetooth, you want to turn on your phone connectivity for the Bluetooth. So now, as you saw, it said waiting, connected, because my tablet is just down there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.